If you are considering the Feelworld F6 Plus moniker kit to check your focus, you need to know how it handles real-world conditions. Let's look at screen clarity, battery life, and the 3D LUT feature. First, screen clarity. Indoors, this 500 nit touchscreen is perfectly sharp and color accurate. Outdoors under direct sunlight, it can struggle on its own, but using the included plastic sun hood makes the frame fully visible for checking exposure. Second, the battery runtime. The dual-purpose plate accepts Sony NP-F or Canon LP-E6 batteries. A compact NP-550 gives you about 2 hours of continuous runtime, while a large NP-5 970 stretches your shoot to nearly 6 hours. The standout feature is the touchscreen utility. You can instantly load custom 3D LUTs via an SD card to preview your final graded look in real time, and swipe up to check focus peaking or waveforms without diving into submenus. With the included hand carry case protecting the screen in your bag, this is a phenomenal budget upgrade for mirrorless shooters. Highly recommended.